Hello lovely people, and welcome back again to the channel. Hope you guys are doing wonderfully well. In today's video I share with you how I make this oven baked Ghana chips. This recipe was so crunchy, delicious, and you'll love it, trust me. Let's get into the video. Into a bowl here, I'll go in with my flour, some nutmeg, baking powder, some sugar, and also milk powder. These are my dry ingredients, and I'll also leave the quantity of the ingredients in the description box below. If today is your first time of coming across this channel, hello, I'm Gertrude and you are welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, kindly do me a favor by subscribing to the channel and be part of this wonderful family. Okay guys, so at this point I'll go in with my margarine. So I'm using the salted one. You can also use the non-salted butter or margarine for this recipe, and I will start by rubbing the margarine into the flour with my fingers. While that is going on, I want to use this opportunity to thank my returning subscribers. You guys are too much, and thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video and also leaving a comment under my post. I do appreciate you all, and I won't have been here without your love. Thank you guys so much. And to my new subscribers, thank you guys so much for subscribing to the channel, and trust me, you won't regret being part of this wonderful family. And you can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. The name is Getty Cooks. It is totally free. You don't need any money to follow me or subscribe to my channel. Okay fam, so now I'll go in with my grated onion and garlic. So I'll mix everything together until a dough is formed. Also, I did not add any water to it at this point. So after the dough is formed, I will just put this in the fridge for just a few minutes before rolling them. Okay fam, so at this point I will just spread some flour on my chopping board and also some on my rolling pin, and then place the dough that I kept in the fridge. I will just roll it gently until I get the thickness that I'm going for. Are you still with me after this time? If you are, thank you so much, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also share this video among your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed. So this is how I'll be doing it until I get my desirable thickness. After getting my desirable thickness, I will just go ahead and then shape the dough and also cut them into any size and shape that I prefer.
Let's go.
So guys, I'm going in for this design. You can just do any design or just cut your dough into any shape that you want. So this is what I'm going for, and I also shape some like this triangle and also like this diagonal shape. Alright fam, so this is our dough going into the oven for 30 minutes at 180 degrees. Alright lovelies, this is the final result of our oven baked Ghana chips. Isn't it so beautiful? Just look at it, easy to put together, and guys, trust me, if you try this recipe you will love it. Just look how nice it came out. This is so perfect and also crunchy as well. I really love it. And just check how flaky our oven baked chips is. Guys, just look at this. This is so flaky, and if you find this video interesting, can you give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and also comment on this video. And thanks for watching. See you in my next video.